Here I have TCL 10 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So first of all, you have to hold down power key, and when you see this window, you have to hold your finger on power off. And after this window appears, reboot to safe mode, you just have to tap OK, and your device will be restarted in the safe mode. And as you can see, the sign says safe mode, which is the proof for that we are now in the safe mode. As you can see, internet features are disabled in the safe mode because, I guess it's obvious, internet is not safe for you and for your life. If you want to exit safe mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in the normal mode. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.